This is Morgan at Spiffy.
Hello, I'm Morgan at Spiffy. So this month we are giving away a free, totally awesome Spiffy penguin bag for our 4 and 5 services. Today we're gonna see how much this bag will fit. We have apples and candy and some other miscellaneous items. So we got the goods. We got some chocolate, some Tootsie Pops.
His little penguin feet, it's cute. Drawstring.
Oh, this smells so good. Yeah, seriously.
This definitely will hold more than those traditional plastic pumpkins.
Oh yeah, for sure. And you can carry it on your back, it's drawstring. All right.
$2.70?
$2.70, yeah.
Do you like the flavor Tootsie Rolls, like the vanilla ones? Or
No, I don't. Do you?
Yeah.
Ooh, all right, let's go. It's a moment of truth. I'd say that fits.
That's incredible. It
Right?
fits with ease.
Oh yeah, for
So
sure.
that was 1, 2, 3, 4 full-size Walmart bags of candy.
It's like probably like 15 pounds.
These are the best.
But so now we have our healthier option.
Yeah?
Sure.
So would
Honey.
you hand these out to trick-or-treaters? You'd be
I'd be
the favorite on the street.
all right, 22, 23.
And that
23.
easily closes. So 20.
Oh yeah.
Almost 2 dozen apples in there.
Yeah.
No problem.
This is about the same, feels about as heavy as all that candy. So your kids could eat this much candy or 24 apples. Pumpkin time.
How festive and cute is this?
I know. We love fall here at Spiffy. They're easy. You can swing it around, hit your sibling with it. Probably not. 8 little pumpkins.
What else are we gonna put in this bag?
A moment of truth. We're gonna stuff it with our signature Spiffy keychain penguins for $26.50.
Bust on mine.
I'd say it's pretty cool. Look at that, 63 penguins.
So
Yeah.
how can you get this awesome, totally awesome bag?
So you need to book a Spiffy service, 4 or 5, an awesome or totally awesome detail, and you will have one of these bags in your car at the end of the service.
While supplies last.
While supplies last, yes, that's correct. No apples, candy, or pumpkins or penguins were harmed in the making of this video.